If you're often seeing this error message, this is something you cannot just ignore. Fortunately, you can fix the low on memory issue with the resolutions in this guide. So first up, disable background applications. Do it by opening Task Manager, go to Processes tab, then close all the programs listed under Apps by selecting them, then click End Task. Now you have to repeat the previous step for unnecessary third-party programs listed under the background processes. However, only select to close unneeded processes there. Once done, click Startup, then select and click Disable for all unneeded startup items listed there. Now doing so will stop those programs automatically starting with Windows and consuming RAM as background processes. Moreover, you can free up driver storage space with this cleanup tool. To do so, open this cleanup, then select all the boxes in the Disk Cleanup tab, click OK, and delete files to confirm. You can also select to erase superfluous system file data, much the same by clicking Cleanup System File. Lastly, increase virtual memory allocation. Do it by opening Settings, click System, choose About, select Advanced System Settings, then under Performance, select Settings, choose Advanced tab, under Virtual Memory, select Change. In here, you will see your virtual memory options. If you want to set custom virtual memory settings, you will have to uncheck the box to automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Once you clear the checkbox, the virtual memory option below will become accessible. So you have to select Custom Size, then input your desired virtual memory size, and then select OK. And those are the following solutions for this error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.